Noun clauses. Announcement. There's a new club starting this week, the Biking Club. Every week, we are going to decide where the bikers will go. I know a lot of bikers will join, so make sure to sign up soon. Whoever signs up first chooses our first excursion. Next week, we will announce when the club will meet. When I wrote the announcement for my new club, I used a few noun clauses, such as where the bikers will go, whoever signs up first, and when the club will meet. But what's a noun clause? A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun in a sentence. An easy way to identify if a clause acts as a noun is to replace it with another noun. For example, in the sentence, every week we are going to decide where the bikers will go. We can try replacing the clause where the bikers will go with the noun the place. Does every week we are going to decide the place make sense? It does. So, where the bikers will go must be a noun clause. In the sentence, whoever signs up first chooses our first excursion. We can try replacing the clause whoever signs up first with the noun a biker. Does a biker chooses our first excursion make sense? Yes, it does. So, whoever signs up first must also be a noun clause. Like any clause, a noun clause must contain a subject and a verb. In the noun clause, where the bikers will go, bikers is the subject and go is the verb. What are the subject and verb in the noun clause, whoever signs up first? The subject is whoever, and the verb is signs up. A noun clause is a type of dependent clause because it is not a complete sentence on its own. In the sentence, every week we are going to decide where the bikers will go. The clause, every week we are going to decide, stands alone as a sentence. However, the noun clause, where the bikers will go, does not make a complete sentence on its own and is therefore a dependent clause. A noun clause can be the subject of a sentence. Whoever signs up first chooses our first excursion. In this sentence, chooses is the verb. Who chooses? Whoever signs up first. Therefore, whoever signs up first is the subject. However, a noun clause can also be the direct object in a sentence. In the sentence, we will announce when the club will meet. We is the subject and will announce is the verb. What will we announce? When the club will meet. In this sentence, the noun clause, when the club will meet, is the direct object because it tells us what we will announce. Wow, all of this talk about the bike club is making me excited to plan our first bike trip. Do you know who will be the first to sign up? Me!